This December, every pin knocked down supports accessible STEM education. Join SciTech2U for our second annual Bowling for STEM fundraiser on Saturday, December 11th at Bowl America in Gaithersburg. Help SciTech2U provide unique opportunities for students K through 12 to engage in exciting out-of-school programs. Our programs give students hands-on, engaging experiences while learning the STEM field. Education should be accessible to all, and you can help SciTech2U in our mission in providing quality, affordable STEM programs to all ages. Every ticket purchased or donation made goes towards supporting future scientists, mathematicians, and engineers. Tickets are $25. Children 7 and under are free. Bring your family and friends and roll some strikes for science. Go to scitech2u.org to get your tickets or donate now.